All right, this is Liberty stock number 50793. It's a M75-1041 Eldorado gun drill, 3/4 inch drilling capacity, 30-inch stroke. Serial number 859, equipped with an Eldorado Mega F18 high pressure coolant system, and drill has homemade counter rotation.
It is. And it's right here. As far as that goes, we can turn it on right now, in fact. That takes care of that. That's the drill motor.
Okay.
We can walk through. We'll get back to the controls in a minute. We're here, so electric panel, obviously. Aerotech drive down below. And the air system for the spindle and main transformer all along this side. Flow minder up above. Servo motor right behind that, of course. We're presently on. We're powered up. You can hear it. Coming along the high pressure system. Got the wires on the floor. There's the interface wires right there, all the yellow ones. So that hooks up to the main panel. Coming around here, we got the electric panel. It's pretty basic. One starter, one disconnect. And that's it. Filtration, the scoop for the side of the machine. And over here, my three-phase coming into the box here, which is currently 480. You see the rest of the package here. Motor, 2 horsepower motor up here. Rotary union, and we got the bellows pulled back just so you kind of look in there and see things. You can do it from there or from here. I'm just going to fire up the spindle while you're standing there on manual. Like that. And as far as jogging forward, if I get off of auto, put that. And feed is here. Moving pretty good. I'm way up there at 190. Yep. And then back. Wrong one. Sorry. And if I slow it down to a more normal feed speed, I guess 70. Even that's pretty fast, but moving along pretty good. And here's 40. So yeah. That works. I'm going to send it back and maybe do an auto cycle over here. This is RPM test down here. This is oil test. I just turned the oil on, high pressure, whatever. Light comes on even though we're not hooked up. Shut that off. Jog forward, like I said, jog reverse. I have to put it on the dog to get auto cycle. So we're ready to go there. Go into auto. Let's kick it up to maybe 140 just so we can see what's happening. I'll hit cycle start and that'll be it. So. Should have it here. Timer, and it goes. Oil's on. One more time. With the counter rotation, and we'll call it a day. Done deal.
Done deal.
That's it, Pete.